whilst they put marshmallows in their mouths. No, it's really sad.
Breakup.
So what?
A breakup.
Even more.
Rolf Harris.
Adoption.
Rolf Harris.
Adoption.
Abortion.
I like abortion.
In a church.
Abortion in a church.
Abortion's quite bad.
Really?
Forced abortion.
In a church.
Oh.
In a church. Forced abortion.
Forced
So you do adoption.
Forced abortion.
Finding out you're adopted.
Finding out you're adopted.
Let's go with adoption. So finding out that one of them's adopted. There we go. Marshmallow Alex.
Timmy,
Yeah.
something was discussed.
Marshmallow Alex.
So I was just looking at that painting over there. Mum and Dad, they're such good artists, aren't they?
Marshmallow Brandon.
Yeah, they are Timmy.
So nice, like they just painted all four of us.
Marshmallow
Such a
Brandon.
happy family.
Yeah, about that.
Marshmallow Alex.
What do you mean about that?
There's something we need to discuss.
Marshmallow Alex.
What's that? You better do it quick.
You know when you were a lot younger, you know how your brother was blonde
Marshmallow Brandon.
and you got brown hair? You know how you always asked and they said it was just because it was a genetic defect?
Marshmallow Alex.
Yeah.
Well, it's slightly different genetic defect
Marshmallow Brandon.
in the sense that you haven't got any genetics of them.
Of who?
Marshmallow Brandon.
Of the two people standing in that painting.
Marshmallow Brandon.
What, Mum and Dad?
Yeah, Mum and Dad.
Marshmallow Brandon.
I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Speak clearly.
Your mother and father, both blonde,
Marshmallow Alex.
blue-eyed,
Yeah.
son, blonde,
Yeah.
blue-eyed,
Yeah.
brown,
Marshmallow
brown eye.
Brandon.
Yeah, well,
They're not your real parents.
Marshmallow Alex.
Do you want to know who your real dad is? You're looking at him.
Marshmallow Brandon.
I gave up for adoption all those years ago because I had to go home. I'm sorry I left it. I didn't mean to leave. Did you know?
Marshmallow Alex.
I didn't mean to leave you. It just happened. I had to go. I was going to war. Don't look at your look.